Next question, Jesse from the chat. Preferred way to sour Gose or Berliner? I'm going to say this. I haven't done a ton of traditional like lacto fermentations with those. My preferred way to do that general style, how that style has evolved, I think increasingly real Berliner has kind of faded into these quick tart beers that are often fruited and different things like that. You can feel however you want to feel about it. I've made a couple of Goses. I've had a lot of success with Philly Sour, and I like it a lot. I did an episode on brewing quick tart fruit beers that you should check out. It's a full brew day breakdown. Check that one out. There's a lot of tips and tricks in there as far as that goes. Yeah, I like using that. I will say though that it doesn't generate tons of acidity. One thing that I would be open to is if you wanted to, maybe looking at adjusting those beers with a small amount of lactic acid to maybe drop it down a little bit lower. That might be something that you find favorable. And I would suggest here and then potentially dosing it in a glass, pouring on top of that, and then kind of seeing how that goes from there. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're gonna maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.